Greetings, fellow artists. Today we will do a short tutorial on designing the shape of eye, based on number of line breaks. I hope it helps you. So let's get started. We will use a single line, a line with 2 breaks, and a line with 3 breaks. A curved line can also be used as a single line. We will use them to create the designs for upper and lower eyelids. Here, the first one has no eyelids. We are using the above 3 types of line breaks to create upper and lower eyelids. I hope this image makes it more clear. Now let's design eyes based on above classification on a blank expression. Please note that it's not an expression tutorial, it's about the shape design of the eye. However, we can apply any mentioned designs on any expression. We can vary the width and shape of the upper and lower eyelids to create a new variation. But observe carefully that we are not altering the basic design. Here is another slight variation of the eyelids. But you can go to any lengths of experimentation, but keep in mind to not destroy the basic shape structure. We can also vary shape of the iris and pupil to create even more differences. Experiment and explore as much as you can. There are endless possibilities, and that's why creating something new is so intriguing. We can even deform our base shape structure to create a new vivid look. Or create a new structure entirely using the types of lines and line breaks. Again, explore as much as you can. Once you have a whole library of eye designs, try doing different expressions to see which brings out the most of the personality we want to create. Play with iris and pupil designs. Maybe you can create a design as iconic as the Sharingan. Also try different eyelid styles. And with that, we are at the end of this video. Wish you tons of happy and miraculous moments on your art journey. And yeah, keep exploring and keep creating. Farewell for now.